Welcome to our video on the top 5 best electric unicycles for 2026. Electric unicycles should offer comfort, stability, and effortless mobility, ensuring a smooth ride through every street and trail. The best models combine sleek designs, advanced technology, and impressive battery life for long-lasting performance. With so many options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we've done the hard work for you. We've selected each unicycle based on positive reviews, tech features, and rider feedback to help you find the perfect fit. Be sure to check out the description below for links and more details on each model. Let's dive in and discover your ideal electric unicycle for 2026. INMOTION P6. The INMOTION P6 is one of the most powerful and advanced electric unicycles ever made, built for riders who live for speed, control, and next-level performance. Packing a 6 kW rated motor with a jaw-dropping 20 kW peak burst output, it delivers explosive torque and instant acceleration thanks to its 235 volts high-voltage system. The massive 4,200 watt-hour Samsung 50S battery, supported by INMOTION's smart BMU, BCU, and BDU systems, ensures top-tier efficiency, stability, and thermal safety even during demanding rides. With a top speed of 93 miles per hour and an impressive 93-mile range, the P6 isn't just fast, it's built for real-world endurance. Its 90mm suspension travel keeps the ride smooth and balanced, while the IPX6 rated frame and IPX7 battery make it perfectly capable of handling rain and rough terrains. Riders can fine-tune their experience with app-based customization, IoT navigation, and built-in theft alerts that bring a futuristic edge to this high-performance machine. Priced at $4,999, the INMOTION P6 is clearly made for expert riders who want absolute control over acceleration, braking, and pedal response. It's a bold fusion of raw power, precision engineering, and intelligent design, proving that the future of electric unicycles is not just about going faster, but about riding smarter and smoother than ever before. KingSong F18. The KingSong F18 is a next-generation electric unicycle built for riders who demand high-speed performance, versatility, and reliability across all terrains. Powered by a robust 5,000-watt rated motor with a peak output of up to 12,000 watt, the F18 easily tackles steep 45 degrees inclines while maintaining incredible stability and power delivery. Its 2,664 watt-hour Samsung 50S battery, running on a 151.2 volt system, supports dual 10-ampere fast charging, meaning less downtime and more riding. Reaching an impressive top speed of around 75 miles per hour and offering a range of up to 90 miles under ideal conditions, the F18 is both powerful and practical for long-distance commutes or thrilling off-road adventures. The 20-inch tire, combined with a 4-shock D&M suspension system and large spiked pedals, 280 by 148 millimeters, provides excellent grip, comfort, and control on any surface. KingSong has also made maintenance easier with modular quick-release parts for the motor, lights, and speakers. Riders will appreciate its Bluetooth connectivity, mobile app integration, adjustable pedal height and angle, and smart BMS that ensures each battery cell operates safely. Priced at $3,249, the KingSong F18 is a premium, feature-rich electric unicycle that blends raw power, refined engineering, and intelligent design, perfect for enthusiasts who want a smooth, high-performance riding experience. BEGODE C8. The BEGODE C8 is a stylish and performance-focused electric unicycle that revives the iconic Nikola design with major upgrades for modern riders. Powered by a hollow magnesium motor rated at 2,500 watt and peaking at 5,500 watt, it offers strong torque and quick acceleration on its efficient 84 volts platform. Riders can choose between two battery setups, Samsung 50GB or Samsung 50S cells, both offering a 1,500 watt-hour capacity, managed by a smart BMS for balanced energy use and safe, fast charging up to 20 ampere. The C8 reaches a free spin top speed of about 57 miles per hour, with realistic riding speeds averaging around 40 miles per hour depending on weight and terrain. Its range is impressive for its size, capable of extended city commutes or trail rides. Built with a 16-inch wheel and a mid-mounted coil and oil hydraulic suspension delivering about 70 millimeters of travel, it ensures a smoother and more stable ride across mixed surfaces. The IP67 rated shell provides solid weather resistance, while the design includes spiked pedals, a folding carry handle, and vibrant RGB lighting. With 8 built-in 10W speakers, an app or BMS-based smart controls, it delivers both entertainment and convenience. Priced at $1,200 for the Samsung 50GB version and $1,480 for the 50S model, the BEGODE C8 combines comfort, innovation, and fun in one compact, powerful package. INMOTION V12S. The INMOTION V12S is a next-level electric unicycle that delivers the perfect balance of power, comfort, and technology for modern riders. It's powered by a 2,500-watt rated motor that peaks at 6,000 watt, providing rapid acceleration, smooth torque, and effortless control even on steep climbs. Its 84 volts, 1,440 watt-hour Samsung 50S battery, 20S4P, offers impressive efficiency and endurance, making long rides smoother and more reliable. The V12S reaches up to 43.5 miles per hour under ideal conditions and can travel around 75 miles on a single charge, depending on terrain and riding style. Featuring a 16-inch tire and a 90mm hydraulic suspension system, it ensures superior comfort and handling on uneven surfaces. The frame has an IP56 rating, while the battery is IP67 rated for enhanced protection from dust and water. Additional features include dual stereo speakers, a 4.3-inch touchscreen display, Bluetooth and app connectivity, motion-based anti-theft alerts, and large spiked pedals for better grip. Designed for both city cruising and adventure riding, it's as smart as it is powerful. When it comes to pricing, the INMOTION V12S sits in the premium performance range at around $2,399, offering outstanding value for riders who want advanced features, durability, and a thrilling ride experience in one sleek package. NOSFET Aero. The NOSFET Aero is a sleek and compact electric unicycle designed for riders who want agility, power, and everyday practicality in one lightweight package. Its 2,000-watt motor delivers quick acceleration and responsive handling, making it ideal for city streets and light adventure trails. The Aero runs on a 126-volt system powered by a Samsung 50S battery pack rated at around 1,110 watt-hour, supported by a smart BMS that ensures safe, stable, and efficient energy management. Under ideal conditions, it can reach speeds up to 55 km per hour, while real-world riding typically offers a comfortable range of 40 to 50 km, depending on terrain and rider weight. Built from a durable magnesium alloy frame, the wheel weighs approximately 24.5 to 25 kilograms, balancing sturdiness with portability. Its symmetrical, bidirectional suspension system provides about 70 mm of travel, absorbing bumps and improving comfort over uneven surfaces. With IPX6 water resistance, hybrid tire options, a 20-watt headlight, ambient lighting, and a convenient trolley handle, it's engineered for both function and style. The design also allows easy tire maintenance thanks to user-friendly access. Price-wise, the NOSFET Aero is positioned at $2,199, offering strong value for its performance, suspension comfort, and smart feature set. Overall, it's a refined, high-quality ride that perfectly blends mobility, power, and innovation for modern riders. As electric unicycles continue to evolve, these 5 models represent the pinnacle of innovation and craftsmanship in 2026. Whether you're seeking raw power, extended range, or refined comfort, each of these machines sets a new benchmark in personal electric mobility. The future of riding is already here, smooth, smart, and sensational. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more reviews, updates, and comparisons from the world of next-generation electric vehicles.